Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Got a cold air intake from K&N. I gotta do an install.
Yeah? I'm in a bad mood today.
Did you try ordering parts again?
Sure did. I'm trying to be damper, your mother said. Be damper.
It's not damper.
What is it?
Dapper.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
There's the filter. Right?
This is
Oh, wow.
your,
Look at the size of this thing. Wow.
yeah, smell it.
Look at this. There's your clamps and your moldings. There's the piece for the breather. There's the grommet and stuff.
Wow, this thing's enormous. In the glasses.
Yo, please stop busting my chops.
It was very nice of the mayor to give us his work truck because he wanted a K&N filter.
Well, we're gonna hook them up.
Yeah. So the first thing we need to do, we need to take this out.
You got the tube, you got your filter, you got your plugs, you got a sensor, I think most likely is in there, and stuff like that.
Right.
Let's go, let's do it.
Alright, this is the filter. All this is going to be taken out and this is going to be replaced with the NextGen cold air intake.
Okay. Popeye Sailor Man.
Alright, see this? This right here, very important. See this right here? You need this. You take this out of the old one.
And you put in a new one.
No. Take this grommet that you just took out because this is what holds this piece in.
Now we got the sensor of the other one. Push it in. Push it in. Push it out. Sounds like an 80s aerobics class. Remember that, Richard the Simmons?
No. Stretching is really important. You all have to stretch.
Okay, everybody, get in position. You know. Okay, everybody. Take it to the oldies.
I know what he's talking about. That's the sensor.
My glasses got stuck in the tree.
See the sensor?
Right? No, is it? Oh, good, good. Just want to make sure you get the sensor in perfectly.
A little thing I do with these filters, when they paint these, paint gets in the threads and it kind of like jams the bolt. So before you put the clamp on, just make sure the bolt turns, because then it's a little harder once it's in the car.
There you go. See? Smart.
That's why I do it when they're
Smart.
not in the car.
I said you're smart.
Thank you.
So this has got its own advantages, right?
Well, it gives you more torque, more horsepower, better gas mileage. Very
That's
important.
good.
You know?
Especially when you get gas around these parts.
I'm just bringing this clamp in so when I go plug everything in, it doesn't fall back out. Okay.
Oh, nice.
There we go. Now, we're going to tighten all the clamps.
Make sure they're all facing the same direction. Nice.
Now for the most important part about this job, these right here. Is it red and orange or orange and red? Orange and red. Okay, orange and red.
There you go. Good. We don't know nothing yet.
Alright, give me the key. That's...
There you go. Together.
We only have two more things to do. Close the hood. Our favorite thing to do.
Go ahead, do it.
No, it's your thing.
I gotta do it?
Yeah, you
Or do you
gotta
wanna do it?
No.
Taking over the world!
One set of K&N filters at a time.
Give my glasses. Give my glasses.
Taking all
Don't make
the
fun
world.
of me. I use these.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.